Okay, example 2 says to graph y equals negative x. This is a very simple equation. It tells me that, first off, let's look at the equation, y equals negative x. Notice what we noticed? There's an x, there's a y, right? So I know immediately it's going to be a slanted line. Okay? As soon as I see it's going to be a slanted line, right now the chart's the way we want to do it. I pick three numbers. I'm going to pick negative 3, 2, and 5. Nothing magical about those, I just picked a few numbers. If you pick different numbers than that, keep the numbers you picked. You can do the same thing I'm going to do to my numbers. What does the equation tell me to do to x?
Change it to negative.
It says y equals negative x. So I'm trying to find y off of x. All I'm doing to x is changing its sign. Minus x means opposite x. So x is negative 3, opposite is positive 3. X is positive 2, opposite is negative 2. X is 5, opposite is negative 5. That's all that equation is telling me. Minus x means change the sign of x. Y equals the opposite sign of x.
If we were to have 0, would you just say 0?
0 and negative 0 mean the same thing. If you put negative 0, you can. It just means the same thing, though. All right? So, negative 3, 3. 1, 2, 3 left. 1, 2, 3 up. Positive 2, negative 2. 2 right, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, negative 5. Notice those 3 points do line up. And again, maybe some of you picked 0. The opposite of 0 is 0. That point. You did what?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So let's go with 1 and 3. Negative 1, negative 3. So 1, negative 1. 3, negative 3. If we went with negative 1 and negative 2, change the signs. 1, 2. So negative 1, 1. Negative 2, 2. Notice no matter what point you're picking, they're all ending up on the same line because that's what the line is. Once we get the dots that we want, and again you get as many as you want, I got a whole bunch this time, connect with a nice straight line, put arrows on the ends of it, all the dots are going to be connected. If any dot's not on the line, that means that dot's wrong. If you get like 6 or 7 dots and one's off, that one that's off is wrong. If you do 3 and one's off, I'd do one more. See if 3 of them line up, they're probably right, and the one that's not isn't.